Hello everyone, this is the question asked in GATE 2021 Civil Engineering Set 2. On a planar field, you traveled 3 units east from a point O. Next, you traveled 4 units south to arrive at a point P. Then you traveled from point P in the northeast direction such that you arrive at a point that is 6 units east of point O. Next, you traveled in the northwest direction so that you arrive at point Q that is 8 units north of P. The distance of point Q to point O in the same units should be. So we have been given with some set of paths and directions, and we have to determine the path between 2 points that are formed on the basis of the given directions. So to solve this question, the useful thing that needs to be kept in mind is in such type of questions, always draw the route diagram with the given directions and paths and solve for the given points using the rules of geometry and trigonometry. So we have to frame a route diagram as per the instructions given in the question, and we have to solve for the given points using trigonometry and geometry wherever we can find. So let's try to solve this problem. So the first information that we have been given is we have traveled 3 units east from the point O. So let's first define our direction as follows. So we take this direction as north, and correspondingly we take the following directions. Now the thing that is given to us in the question is that we have traveled 3 units east from the point O, and then we have traveled 4 units to south at point P. So from point O we have traveled 3 units in the east direction, and then we have traveled 4 units in the south to reach a point P. Then from the point P we traveled in the northeast direction such that we arrive at a point that is 6 units east of point O. That means that once we have reached point P, we have traveled in the northeast direction to reach a point that is 3 units from the point O. So let's name this point R. So we have reached a point R that is 6 units from point O. That means that we have traveled a distance of 3 units from this X point, so that the total distance from point O to point R is 6 units. Now the next data that is given to us is we have traveled in the northwest direction so that we arrive at point Q that is 8 units north of P. That is, we have traveled in the northwest direction, which is this direction, and we have reached a point Q that is 8 units from point P. So the distance between point P and point Q is 8 units. So since the distance between point P and X is 4 units and we traveled in the northwest direction, then to make it 8 units, this distance has to be 4. So the distance from Q to X is also 4 units. Now the thing that is asked in the question is the distance of point Q to the point O in the same units should be. So we have to find the distance between this point and this point, that is point Q and point O. Now this is a pretty straightforward way in which we can solve the question. Since we have been given with our direction coordinate and this angle is 90 degree, and in triangle OQX we have OQ, we have to find OQ, and we have been given with OX as 3 units and QX as 4 units. Therefore we can use the Pythagoras theorem and determine OQ as 3 square plus 4 square, root over 3 square plus 4 square, which would give me 5 units. So the distance between point O to point Q is 5 units, which matches with option C. So option C is the right answer. Thank you.